Hello friends, welcome back to Learn AI, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete API keys in the Google AI Studio. Now, if you've created any API keys, in order to, let's say, access those API keys to delete them, just simply go ahead and click on Get API Keys. It will take you over to the section where you can get or even delete API keys. So to create a new API key, just click Create and basically wait for it to generate. But to delete, you will look below that Create button and you'll find another section here for all of those API keys that you create. So you can click on it to access it. So if you click on this little window here that says Gemini API key, you can see that it opens up a new window, and from here you'll be able to see those API keys, and from here you can basically click the checkbox here and you can also delete it from here as well. So if you click the three dots here towards the right hand side, you can delete the API key from here, or you can enable it. But the easy way is just simple: click the bin icon towards it from within the AI Studio. Click on delete once the pop-up box appears and you will see that it deletes. And that's it.